How to make AI cat cover songs with lyrics or instrumental. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make AI cat cover songs with lyrics. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for suno.ai. So it's a platform where you can easily create any songs using AI. So you may have to sign up or sign in, and then you will be seeing this description option. So since I have already downloaded an application related to Suno AI, that is Suno AI application itself, so I'll just show you by this application, and it's available for free under the Play Store. So you can just log in with your account. So once you're inside this screen, after you log in, just click on this music button at the middle of your bottom of your screen, and from over here all you have to do is just type in with something like this by saying a cat cover songs, and you may also add a instrumental version to it just like this, and just click on create over here and it should successfully create your provided song with the provided prompts. So in Suno.ai, it basically generates two different versions of the same topic or same song choice that you have given. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, and there you go guys, just like that you have successfully created a AI cat cover song with Suno.ai. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.